In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product variations in WooCommerce. If you want to sell a product that comes in different options, like sizes or colors, setting up variations is the best way to do it. This allows customers to choose the exact version they want directly from the product page, while you manage pricing, images, and stock for each option separately. To begin, go to your products area and either add a new product or open an existing one that you want to update. Once you're inside the product editor, look for the product data section. By default, many products are set as simple products, so the first thing you need to do is change that dropdown to variable product. This tells WooCommerce that this item will have multiple selectable options. Next, open the Attributes tab. Attributes are what define the choices your customer will see, such as size, color, material, or any other option that applies to your product. Add a new attribute and give it a clear name. Then enter the available values for that attribute. For example, if you're adding size, you might enter small, medium, and large. If you're using color, you could enter options like red, blue, and black. Make sure the values are entered correctly, because these will be used to create the actual variations. After that, enable the setting called Used for Variations. This is an important step, because without it, WooCommerce will treat the attribute as informational only and not as a selectable product option. Once that is enabled, save the attributes before moving on. Now, open the Variations tab. This is where the actual purchasable options are created. Use the option to generate variations from the attributes. WooCommerce will automatically create each variation based on the values you entered. This can save a lot of time, especially if you have multiple combinations. Once the variations appear, go through each one carefully. For every variation, enter the price, upload or assign the correct image if needed, add the SKU, and set the inventory details. This is what gives you full control over how each version of the product behaves in your store. For example, one color may have a different image or one size may have limited stock. When everything is filled in, save the variations. Then publish the product if it's new or update it if you're editing an existing listing. Finally, test each option on the product page to make sure the variations display properly and that customers can select them without any issues. That's it! You've successfully created a variable product in WooCommerce.